Bring the hood into the installation area. Unpack the hood by guiding a knife along the center of the packaging, taking care not to damage the product. Inside you will find the manual and fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. Mark the center line according to the manual. Mark the distance line according to the manual. For the next step, you will need the template provided. Temporarily stick the template to the wall using tape. Using the template, mark the 4 screwing positions on the wall. Take the template off the wall. Next, you will need the wall bracket. Rest the wall bracket against the wall and mark the screw points. Next, you will need the 2 screws provided. Fix the wall bracket into place. Using the points you marked on the template, fix 2 of the screws provided to the wall. Remove the protective foil from the hood and the filters. Hang the hood onto the wall. Remove the filters from underneath the hood. Using the additional 2 screws and 2 washers, fully secure the hood in place. Replace the filters into position under the hood. Now you will need the duct. Fix the duct into place. Untape the electricity box that is attached to the hood. Place on top of the hood. Using the 2 screws already in place, fix the electricity box into place. You would now plug the hood in using a pre-prepared socket. For the next step, you will need the 2 chimney parts. Remove the foil from the chimney parts. Connect the 2 chimney parts together. Lift the chimney into position on top of the hood. Fix the chimney to the wall bracket using the 2 screws provided. Clean the product. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.